This is Grant Putnam Landscaping. I'm at Barber's house here in Darien. And this first video is just going to chat about outdoor lighting. So Barbara mentioned that she had the one outlet available inside the garage. Okay. Then there's another outlet behind the pool. So if she decides to do landscaping in the backyard, we have that option perhaps to set up a transformer back there for the lighting in the backyard. The first couple priorities for lighting was along the street, and one of the ideas was to try to get some downlights perhaps illuminating the street, so when she walks her dog at night then she has visibility. All right, so potentially I would end up thinking about putting one uplight in that tree, shining this way, shining this direction. Let's see here. Another uplight, another downlight in this tree about that location, shining this way. Because I'm looking for gaps in the tree that the light is going to be unobscured. So again, here is the other location for a downlight shooting this way, okay? And then I would also, for aesthetics, consider uplighting these trees. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 trees. So I'd do 5 uplights. And the uplights would be on this side, so on this side of the tree, the street side. So 5 trees, 5 uplights. Then over here, I'd maybe only uplight 2 trees. This tree here, and this tree here. Uplighting those 2 trees, and I don't think I would do any downlights because there's really no openings to allow a downlight to shine on the street. So I don't think that makes sense over here. So 2 uplights for those 2 trees. The only other thing I would consider doing is maybe one more downlight on this side of this tree, shining and uplighting this ledge. I think that's really pretty at nighttime. All right, so that's another idea. Okay. So lighting on this side was also more of a functional idea of trying to get some illuminance on the street. Now the light is further off the street, so you have to be aware it's not going to be quite as bright as you have up there. And what I would say is having a tree right about there, having a light right about there attached to the tree, lighting up this area. So it's convenient to walk around at nighttime, okay? So that's that over here. You could end up potentially doing one light shining this way towards me and one light shining this way. So that's 2 different options for there. All right. So let's see. Then I would consider doing one path light over here to be able to get some illuminance to walk on this side. And also it kind of lightens up this side of the driveway too. So when people park at night, they get light in this area. So I think that's a good idea. You could consider, you got the light right there. I'm not sure how often you use it, but you could put a path light there as an option. Then I would definitely do path lights in here. Or maybe you got that light over there, but this is probably a pretty dark area. So I'd probably do one path light over here too if you can. This is gonna be, this light and this light would be a little bit more costly because you'd end up having to run a wire around the house. But it's something to consider, okay? So, and the last area, which is the last priority, would be perhaps doing some path lights in here. So maybe one path light here, one path light here, and then maybe some bollard lights potentially along the wall. So if I was going to do that, I would do one bollard light kind of in the center of the grass in this area. So one there, maybe one in the center of the other area. That's a concept. And then I would also use larger uplights to uplight these larger trees. So I'd probably do 2 lights for each tree. So this tree here and this tree, because they have nice shapes to the tree and it'll look really pretty at nighttime. Plus it gives you a sense of the size of the yard at nighttime, gives you a sense of depth perception. Okay, so that's the other idea kind of for the back area. Okay. And the last thing when it comes to lighting, Barbara and I were speaking about trying to get the transformer and the light set up so they can manually be turned on via a switch. So that was the other item that we were chatting about. We'll talk to you soon. Thank you.